Hi guys, good morning from Hawaii. So today we are making, this is the start of adobo, pork adobo, Filipino style, or should I say the Happsters style. Come check it out. So this is the process of my adobo, pork adobo. We are just browning this pork. I marinated this overnight, so all that flavor will be yummy. So now I have browned the meat, and this will be ready to be transferred to another dish so I can cook my adobo. Garlic, lots of garlic. I love garlic. Then the onions, the meat that I browned goes in. Then I will put bay leaf and season well. I don't need to put any more salt because it's already marinated with soy sauce. So we are just going to simmer this down for maybe 45 minutes. Cover. So there's bay leaves and peppercorn here. So here I have pork belly. I have pork belly and then the ribs. I like to mix them. Ribs and pork belly are good together with adobo. I have to change the lid so I can see what it looks like. So far it's simmering down and the oil from the meat or pork is coming up. Sauce is thicker now. Yeah, that's good. So now this is the final of the adobo and really thick sauce. Yum. Dry a little bit more. I'm going to have to make it dry a little bit more. This is what I'm looking for. Thicker sauce. All the umami flavors are there. It glistens too. Look at that. The meat glistens. It's shiny and it's tender, as you can tell. See there? It's so soft. So that's what I'm looking for. This is my adobo Happsters version. So thank you guys for watching. Please thumbs up, subscribe. Aloha. Since I like pepper, yes. There you go. Adobo Happster style. Look at that. Looks delicious.